this assessment asks us to tell how we would calculate the value of an HCH3 eclipsing interaction to be 1.3 based on a total strain in the eclipsed conformation of propane of 3.3 kilocalories per mole. Let's write that down. The total strain is 3.3 kilocalories per mole. This assessment starts with the knowledge that we know the value of the HH eclipsing interaction to be 1 kilocalorie per mole, and we have 2 of these. And so if the total strain in our molecule is 3.3 kilocalories per mole, we have 1 plus some value x will be equal to 3.3. Solving for x, we get 1 plus x equals 3.3. X is equal to 1.3 kilocalories per mole. It should make sense that this value is larger. The HH eclipsing interaction is an eclipsing interaction between 2 very small atoms, whereas the eclipsing interaction between a small atom and a larger methyl group is slightly higher.